14 Daily Habits to Build a Strong, Romantic Relationship. Strong, healthy relationships with your spouse or romantic partner are vital to long-term happiness and health. But it's not just about how much you love them or how much they love you back. It's about how you treat one another on a daily basis. Healthy relationships mean establishing patterns of positive communication, spending quality time together, avoiding negative behaviors like complaining and arguing, and doing things to strengthen the connection between you and your partner every single day. This article lists 14 daily habits that will help you build a strong, romantic relationship with your significant other. 1. Not having arguments. One of the most common reasons for breaking up with someone is because you are arguing a lot. Keeping the arguments to a minimum is one of the best ways to ensure that your relationship stays strong and doesn't fall apart. You can make it less likely that you'll argue by trying to think about what could have led them to feel the way they do and by listening to their point of view without interrupting or attacking them. 2. Showing appreciation. Showing appreciation is one of the best ways to show your partner you love them. Everyone likes to feel appreciated and loved. When you remember every day to thank your partner for what they are doing in the relationship or take the time to say "I'm sorry" when you hurt their feelings, you're showing them how much they mean to you. 3. Handling differences. We all have different personalities. That's why it's important to learn how to deal with your significant other when there are differences in opinion. There are many ways you can do this. You can try asking them what they think about it. You could also try and figure out why they have a different opinion on the subject and change your opinion accordingly. If these things don't work, then you should compromise with each other until you find something that both of you like or dislike equally. Regardless of how you go about it, the main thing is that both parties agree on something, even if it means one person is unhappy for a little bit of time. 4. Communicating effectively. One of the best ways to make a relationship stronger is to communicate effectively. Your partner wants to know your thoughts and feelings on things that are happening in your lives. They want to know if you're happy and satisfied with their actions. If you're feeling neglected or ignored, it's important for them to know this too. 5. Taking care of yourself. Taking care of yourself is a crucial component to building a strong, romantic relationship. It's easy to become lost in the day-to-day grind and forget about your own needs. Take a few moments each day to take care of yourself so that you can better take care of your partner. Here are 14 ways you can do this. 6. Being genuinely interested in the other person. The first step to building a strong relationship is being genuinely interested in the other person. This means you should listen to them and show an interest in their life by asking questions. This can be challenging at times because you may have your own struggles that make it hard to focus on someone else. However, as long as you do not let your emotional baggage get in the way of what you want from this relationship and recognize when it is happening, it will allow space for empathy and ultimately strengthen the connection with your partner. 7. Spending time together. Spending time together is one of the most important habits to building a strong romantic relationship. This might seem like an obvious suggestion, but it is so easy to get distracted by work, kids, or other obligations that we forget to spend quality time with our partner. This can lead to resentment and bitterness, which breaks down the foundation of a relationship. How much time should you spend? 8. Not going to bed angry. When we are upset or angry with our significant other, it can be difficult to get a good night's sleep. In order to create an environment where you and your partner can have fruitful conversations and make decisions together, both people need a chance to cool off before bedtime. It may take time for this habit to become ingrained in your routine, but it is worth the effort. It is also important not to neglect the little things throughout the day that will help you build a stronger relationship. The next suggestion is making sure you hold hands with your partner when you go out together. The simple act of holding hands has been shown to lead couples feeling more connected and less stressed. 9. Quality time. It's important to make time for each other every day. Go out for a walk or get coffee together. It doesn't have to be anything elaborate. Just make sure you're spending quality time with your partner. If you don't find time to do that, all of your other habits will not matter much because they are based on being in a healthy and happy relationship. 10. Talking openly about your feelings. Talking openly about your feelings is one of the most important things you can do in a relationship. It's not always easy to put your thoughts into words, but it can be a cathartic experience that will help you grow closer to your partner. There are many different ways to talk openly about your feelings. Over dinner, when cuddling on the couch, or during an argument. If you're struggling for what to say, try telling them how they make you feel or what reminds you of them. Sometimes just listening is enough too. 11. Checking in with each other. Checking in with each other is an important habit for a strong romantic relationship. It shows that you care about the person and their thoughts, feelings, and opinions. It also shows them you're listening to what they have to say and that you value their input. Plus, it gives you time to talk about anything they want to talk about without feeling like they might be interrupted or talked over. 12. Expressing appreciation for one another. Expressing appreciation for one another is an important way to show your love for your partner. Compliments are a great way to do this and can really make someone feel special. When you compliment your significant other, tell them why you like the thing you're complimenting them on. This will help them feel better about themselves and let them know how they make you feel. 13. Giving compliments. Give compliments often. Tell your partner how much you appreciate them for all that they do. It's important to find ways to tell your significant other that you're grateful for them and the work they do. They will be more willing to help out around the house if they know they are appreciated. Compliment their appearance and share what you like about it. Complimenting someone's appearance can make them feel good and make them believe that they are attractive even if they have insecurities about themselves. This is also a way of telling them that you like what you see when it comes to their appearance and style. 14. Planning date nights. Planning date nights is a great way to keep the romance alive. It doesn't have to be expensive or elaborate. It could simply be going for a walk together or enjoying a picnic lunch in the park. The important thing is that you're spending time with your partner and doing something enjoyable together. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more daily videos.